guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to access your home button if it's broken. So you guys are probably, I'm turning it off, turning it back on. That could work, but there's an easier way to actually have an actual home button. So for that, all you have to do is go in settings, go in general, in accessibility, then in interactions, go in assistive touch, then turn it on. Then you'll have this square box, the circle inside. So over here they'll have your home button. They'll have Siri, custom, notifications, device, control center. So the home button works the same thing. You can slide that like that there, and then just home button. So yeah, that's really all for this video. I know it's short, but it's just a tiny tutorial. If you guys find this video helpful, then leave a thumbs up, and if you didn't find it helpful, then you could leave a thumbs down if you want, or you can put a thumbs up. And also subscribe please, and I'll see you guys in the next video.